Hey everyone, my name is Cody LaPlante, co-founder of eye.t, and let me be the first to welcome you to our online learning portal. This learning portal will serve as your guide as you learn screen readers such as JAWS, NVDA, and Chromevox.
Welcome to the eye.t Learning Portal.
Take a look at our brand new free course, Introduction to Screen Reader Instruction, as well as all of our new cheat sheets, coaching opportunities, and other online courses. To gain access to all of these free materials, click the button below that says Enroll.
We really appreciate you trusting us with your professional development, and I personally commend your bravery for sticking with this really difficult content to learn. Many professionals in our field are content with their students simply not knowing how to use a computer. But you knowing that that is not acceptable is why we do what we do. Welcome to the family. We are so happy to have you here, and congratulations again on taking this first, most important step.